I started as a machine operator and I was able to progress up to a demand analyst, held multiple positions across the company. My name is Winona Cotto. I'm a demand analyst and I've been with TE for 42 years. Not too long ago, my daughter also joined the company. She is a lawyer with TE. The best thing about working at TE is the culture, the people, the integrity, and innovation. I've had the opportunity to be in the audience of the leaders of TE. I've been able to travel to different countries, meet great people. Coming from the plant and the ability to grow into the positions I am at now, this has been an awesome ride, and I am very grateful. What I would tell people is TE is a great company that not only helps you grow professionally, but also personally. I was able to get a bachelor's degree and an MBA through the TE Tuition Assistance Program. And through the help of the management team, I was able to still work and go to school. TE is an awesome company.